Companies are struggling to do the marketing of their products, services, or their company. They have to either hire a marketing agency or they have to have a marketing team within the company. This is something that I have been building and I have been dreaming to build for a long time. It will totally change the marketing game. In fact, this automation will have the input to the products catalog. You can also use the affiliate marketing or whatever products you have. And then this workflow will take care of everything. It will generate the prompt for the video. It will generate a marketing video and then it will publish that video to any of the platform. Actually, for this particular one, I have used YouTube. You can publish it to any of the platform, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even TikTok and other platforms, and even to your website, of course, as well. So this is a complete hands-free. So human in the loop is one aspect. But let me first of all run this and I'll show you how it works. I will explain you everything about it. So let me execute this workflow now. So it is fetching the product details and then AI agent, it's generating the prompt for the video. It is sending to kai.ai and then it is waiting until it gets the success message that the video has been successfully completed. So what this if node does, if the video is not yet ready, it will just wait until the video is ready. This is Kai AI platform. So you can see here, if I just refresh this, these are all the videos which it has generated. And if I show you this one, it is running right now, it is waiting. And this is the prompt that I have received, or this platform has received from my automation. So it is automatically generating the video, and once it will be done, the status will be success. And that is where the workflow is waiting for this status. The moment status will be success, so it will go back and get that video details. So in this node, it will get the video details and it will download the video. But let me wait for this. I'll explain you each and every step, that how I have built it and how you can use it. All right, so you can see here that the video is generated and it has already been published to YouTube. It is being published to YouTube. It is published on YouTube and right now it is now waiting for my approval, in fact. So now I will get the message. You can see here I got the message that this video is right now ready. So I'll just click this. So it will play the video. I will be able to see what type of video it is. So you can see here it made the video about Airtable and right now it is unlisted. So I can simply go back to Telegram or whatever platform you're using to approve this. So I will simply approve this, that I'm satisfied with this, and it is now automatically moving to next step where it is generating the metadata for the video and it is publishing the video and updating the status of this particular product. That video has been published. And now I can go back and check that video again. Its status should have been, of course, changed. Its title, tag, hashtag, everything has been updated. Let me show you that. So this was the video. In fact, you can see here unlisted. So I will just refresh this. You can see here it has got the title, description, affiliate link for the product. Let me play this video and you will see how it looks like.
Hey, if you want an easy way to build apps without coding, check this out. Here's why I love Airtable. You can customize your workflow exactly how you want, collaborate with your team in real time, and actually get things done faster.
So you can apply this, of course, the template is available. You can download the template and only tweak the things that are related to you. Every day by 10 a.m., you can, of course, change it instead of every day. So I can make it every 3 days or I can make it weekly. So I can make every week on Sunday by 10 a.m. So let's do that. And then it will be getting the rows, all the rows from table. If you see here, it is getting all the rows. And then here is the filter. If video is already published, it is not equal to yes. So it means that if video is published, so it will ignore that. And it will also check the partnership status should be active. Of course, I'm using for this particular tutorial, I'm using the affiliate products, partner stack. And I have also explained you earlier how we can use the affiliate marketing to automate even from the affiliate products to your Excel sheet and then from Excel sheet to the video published or content published. So this is how it works. So the filters are applied here. So if it is not published and if there is no error. Why error control is there? I will show you that also. So it will get the product details here. It will check all these products here, but the table that I'm using, it has of course many fields, but I need the partner name, URL and destination URL and the partner ID as well. And then in next step, it will limit it to 1 because right now you can see there are 80 videos which it has to create. Of course, if I do every day, so 80 days it will take. So that's the reason I used 80 days every day. So I will again do that every day by 10 a.m. The reason is because I want to publish the video for all the products, and then it will limit to one product only. It will first item it will take, it will sort it, and it will then move to the next step, which is to get the details of this product. So what it does that it has the URL of the product. You can see here, this is the URL of the product. It will get the URL here and it will use get HTTP, which will get entire HTML page. So complete HTML text is here. And then if it could not get the data, of course, there are sometimes the Cloudflare or any other security is implemented on the website, which doesn't allow get HTTP normally to be accessed. So it will throw an error. If it throws the error, so the status will be updated on the sheet because next time it will not try again. That's the reason this filter is applied here. So filter will exclude the error websites from here and it will then move to next step. If there is no error, it will move next. So this is optional node, of course. You can delete this node, but I have kept this for something else. So I will build that further. Here, whatever has come from the website, it will just extract the relevant information. So what it is getting, it is taking the title of the product, the meta description of the website, the organization title, organization description, image URL, if there is any image, and then if it has image, it will show yes, it has image and summary that what this website is about. So this image URL is mainly if you want to use this for the logo or for publishing it directly to your website. So it has extracted everything from this HTML page. So this is giving the output as title, meta description. So you can of course get more details in case you want. Now the next job is by the AI agent. So it moves or it sends this information that it has extracted from the website to the AI agent, which is in fact the Sora 2 prompt generator. It will get that product title, brand, which is the organization title, brand description, which is the organization description, and the product summary for the key benefits. And then video style, I have mentioned here, it is 10 to 20 seconds video. Of course, right now, Sora 2 is giving 10 to 15 seconds only, but you can mention it so that it makes the prompt accordingly. And here I have mentioned everything. So you can modify it to fit your needs, in fact. So because I'm talking about software tools, gadgets, so scripts and all of that. So these are the products that I will be promoting mainly. So that's why I have given this prompt. So depending upon your company's products and services, you can do that. And if you don't do that also, it will be fine. It will be flexible for every type of product. Voice and delivery, sound and design, and output format I have mentioned. So if you don't want the human to be involved in this, so you can use it without human. So human character, description, outfit, everything is added here. What you can see here, this gives me human character, young, professional, casual, smart outfit, lighting, and tablet displaying Airtable. Now you can see here Airtable because this was the product that was there. So it has automatically generated. Every time it will generate a new prompt for the product that you want to prompt. And then it will send this to the Kai AI. So from the previous output, it will again do the parsing so that it sends the output to Sora. This you can see here, human character, and all of this is mentioned here, but it has removed all the extra lines and extra slashes and everything. You can see here, it has replaced everything and clean output is here. Now, it is sending this to Sora to generate the video. Of course, it is sending to Kai AI to generate the video, and it will not, of course, generate the video immediately. So what this section does, this will send this text to generate the video, and it will wait for uh, 10 seconds, and again it will check the task ID of the video. If the task ID is successful, here you can see if node. If the task ID is success, it will move to next step. Otherwise, it will go back again and wait until the status is successful. And once the status is successful, it will get the video URL and it will send the next node with it, which is HTTP node, common node that will be used to download that video. So the video file is downloaded. I will just show you here. I'll play this video. You can see this is the same video that it generated, and then it uploaded the video to YouTube channel. So of course you have to connect with your YouTube channel. You are sending video, you are uploading it. And what is the title? I have taken this title from the main title of the product, which was initially added. And here is region. I will just change it to Australia because I moved here. So Australia. And then category, I have used science and technology. And the binary file is data from the previous node. So you just need to type data. And privacy status, right now I'm using this unlisted. So then the video is sent here, uploaded here, and then it will wait for, in fact, I will wait for 10 seconds here. I can wait more until video is fully published and it is checked by YouTube. Once it is ready, then I will get the message. I will get the message to approve or reject the video. It will say your video is published and it is unlisted. Please watch and confirm. Should I proceed? So here is the approval. So whether approval or decline, if it is approved, it will move to next step and it is now generating the metadata for the YouTube. Title, description, tags and hashtags. Here is a complete prompt. I will just show you. This is the system prompt which I have given. So you can see here that you are the YouTube metadata generator, technical YouTube channel called Simplex, and so on. So there are many things that I have added here. You can of course modify it to fit your needs and requirements. So here it will be generating the title, description, tags, and hashtags. Of course, I can modify it to make it more product related or marketing related. Title, description, tags, and hashtags. Hook will be accordingly. And then once the output is there, so here is the output parser which I have given. I have told it to give the title, description, tags, and hashtags. This is the only thing that I'm expecting it to provide. And once it gives, of course, then it is mapped here. The video ID, which was already uploaded, so it will update that video. So video is updated and video ID was already there from the upload video. You can see here upload video. From here, the ID has come. And a region, again, I will just modify it. Science and technology, and then here is the description. The title will be first and then the URL, and then it will be detailed description. And then I have added my standard LinkedIn and brand information and the emails and so on. And finally, here is the privacy status. Once everything is updated, it will be public. The moment it is published, it will update my products sheet again, and here it will mark the video as published. So it will be yes. So you can see here that if the video is published in the first node, first sheet, it is getting all the videos. And if the video is published, so you can see here, if the video is published, it will not again publish that video. It will take another product. So every time it runs, it takes a new product to publish the video. Of course, at this stage, once you have got the video ID, once the video ID is downloaded, it can then send it to YouTube also. From here, you can add the social media content generator and publisher, and the template which I have already shared, you can add that template here, and from the download video, you can connect that so that it can send to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever you want to publish it. So in one go, it will generate the video and publish it to all your platforms. So you can, from here, it is flexible. And here also, triggers doesn't need to be a schedule and the get ID. You can use a web form. In that web form, you will provide the product link or service link and then add the keywords, so then it will run. So let me show you that as well. So here you can see this one is the template where everything else is same. There is a form. So on form submission, it will run it and everything will be done. And again, you can get it on the approval, you can get it on the form itself. and then you can publish it, and finally the confirmation will come through the form. So here it is flexible where you can use the URL to upload your videos. All right, so this was all about this particular automation workflow which I have built. And if you want to get this, I have provided the link also. If you want the help to implement this, I can completely create the API keys, change the AI agent to fit your business needs. So let's continue to next video and see what else we can do in AI and automation.